Hi and welcome to Neutralman channel. Today we will discuss about SAP SD billing output determination process and configuration. Okay, previous classes I have explained sales order output determination and delivery output determination. Okay, we will finish output determination process with billing document. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Neutralman, and also click on bell icon to get future videos notification directly. Okay. Generally, why we are using output determination output document, VF02 billing document. Okay, VF01, 02, 03 we are creating billing document. This billing document is company internal. Okay, we need to send form to customer, we need to print, or we need to email, or we need to fax, whatever it may be, we need to send it through this document. That purpose we need one output form. Okay, issue output, click here, print screen. Okay, now once you print, output will come. This is SAP standard output from IDES form. Okay, real time that is different. Here one logo will come, here company name and address will come, here customer addresses and plant details, invoice details, everything will come down. Okay, here total quantity in user format, in company format we need to prepare it. How we can prepare? Functional, as a functional consultant, SD consultant can gather total requirement from user. Okay, layout, okay, whatever they required, these fields. Okay, and also logo, we need to gather everything from user. Okay, we need to prepare one functional specification and we can send it to ABAPer. ABAPer can write coding along with layout preparation. Okay, they can do it. Once they completed it, we need to test thoroughly each and every field and format layout. Okay, once we satisfied in development server, we need to move it to quality. In quality, user can test. Okay, once they accepted this testing, we can move it to production. If there is any gaps are there, user can choose this is not filled, this requirement is not filled. Again we need to send it to ABAPer with correction functional specification. Okay, we need to fix it. We can send it again, we can send it to UAT, user acceptance. Okay, once they accepted, we can move it to production. That is the scenario. I will explain you functional specification for this invoice form, delivery form, and sales order form. Okay, already I explained to functional specification for sales register report and customer master report. I can upload one more functional specification video in future. Okay, in couple of weeks. Okay, yeah. How it will come automatically? There is two types. One is manual, another one is through enter, go to header. Okay, output. Here output is there, you can click here. Okay, once you click, we need to enter. Okay, we need to enter RD00 here. Okay, RD00 here, automatically it will take. We need to fill these all things. This is manual. Okay, otherwise one more thing is, see, this is not our /n F02, this is proforma invoice, this is not our invoice 30. Okay, one second, it will take some time. Before I have explained that is proforma invoice we cannot use. Okay, if you want proforma invoice output, we can go with. Okay, we can configure. It is taking time. I can invoice number. Okay, this is our invoice number. Enter. Okay, go to header, okay, so sorry, okay, no issue. Here output is there, or you can go to header. Here direct output is there, otherwise you can go with this symbol. Okay, here automatically this is come, otherwise we can enter RD00, automatically it will come. Once double click, we need to fill these all things. Okay, these all things already we have maintained condition records in VV31 level. Okay, because system is picking all those things, otherwise we need to fill manually. Manual entry not acceptable by users, because every time whenever they created sales invoice, they need to enter manually. It is not fair, because they will ask automatic means we need to prepare condition records /n VV32 31 already I prepared, because I am showing in VV32 level. RD00 is my condition records, I have prepared for billing type purpose. Okay, execute here. See here I have prepared F2 purpose condition records. Double click here, I have maintained all communication methods. These all are communication methods. Okay, I have maintained whatever output device we need to maintain, LOCL or LP001, print immediately or release after output we can maintain. Okay, generally we can use it. Number of messages, generally we can put it. Spool request name, it is provided by basis, it is standard. If there is any suffix, we can enter some text. Okay, this is also you can enter some text. SAP cover page. Okay, you want to print SAP cover page or not? Okay, not print, not required it SAP cover page, because we can maintain. Once we maintain, whenever we are creating new sales invoice billing document, automatically this condition records will come. Okay, yeah, up to now I have shown how to print invoice, how to enter manual output types in sales invoice, and how to maintain condition records VV31 and VV32. Okay, go to how we can configure it. Okay, there is two types are there. Okay, /n. Okay, NACE is shortcut transaction code to maintain output types and procedure to configure these things. Okay, see output type. Okay, output types, condition records, procedure, everything we can maintain in NACE transaction level. It is shortcut. If you want to go with SPRO, okay, go with path. Okay, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. 1 second, it is taking time. Okay, sales and distribution, billing, because we are working on billing output determination. Okay, billing documents. Okay, oh sorry, basic functions. Okay, basic functions, not billing. Okay, basic functions, output control. Okay, here output determination. Okay, output determination using condition techniques. Okay, maintain output determination for billing documents. Okay, here first we need to maintain condition tables. Why we are using condition tables? Whenever we are maintaining condition records in VV31 32, their key combinations before we maintain for F2. Okay, that purpose we can maintain. Here we need to maintain condition records. Already standard condition records are there, it is suitable, you can use it. We have used 008. If you want to create new condition tables, you can use, you can create from 500 to 999. Okay, up to 500 SAP standard they can use. Okay, how? Okay, once it is completed, maintain access sequence. Okay, this access sequence, this is cross component client. Okay, yeah, 0001 I have used standard. If you want to create new, you can go with the new Z001, something you can maintain. Okay, you can click here. Once you created it, you can click here. Okay, access sequence, go to access sequence. You can specify whatever condition tables are there, you can maintain. I have maintained only this condition table, because only it is come 20. Some other condition tables you can maintain. All will come when we are maintaining. When we can create condition records, all key combinations it will show you. Okay, only we have maintained one condition table because it is coming here. Okay, once it is completed, most important thing is maintain output types. Okay, maintain output types. Here my output type is RD00. If you want to create ZD00, go to change. Here change option is there. Okay, here new entries, if you want to go new entries, you can go, or you can copy RD00. Okay, you can copy from, you can click here and go copy. Okay, I don't want to create new one, I am using standard. Okay, double click here. Okay, once you double click, system will show you these tabs. This tab, general data level, whatever we have created access sequence in previous step, that access sequence we need to assign to this new output type. Okay, here some checkbox are there. Okay, access to conditions, it is mandatory. Here these all are not mandatory. If you, these two we can use generally for to move our data, output data to TM or this thing TM or TM EDI, that purpose we can use. Okay, otherwise cannot maintain. You can maintain program form routine is there, you can maintain here. Otherwise you can maintain processing routine. I will explain you in that step. Okay, here dispatch time, we can maintain dispatch time, send immediately or send with application. If you are going with background jobs or scheduling jobs, you can maintain these two, whichever is possible. Generally we are using it for print output, you can use print. If it is fax related, you can use fax. Okay, our major is fax. Here BP, partner function is BP. If it is sales order sold to parties, partner function. If it is delivery, it is ship to parties, partner function. Here bill to party. Okay, we need to send it to bill to party, they can pay maintain there. Okay, because we need to maintain BP, that is the mandatory communication strategy. Okay, you can maintain anything. If you can leave it also, it is not internet or letter. Okay, based on our basis team suggestions we can maintain, otherwise you can leave it blank. Okay, time, generally we can use, we are now, if you can use any jobs, okay, background jobs, these things we can use these things, otherwise you can click first one. Okay, these all are not mandatory. Okay, this is standard, we are using document type. Okay, print only, we are using print. Okay, if you want to maintain any print and archive, you can use it. Okay, print related settings you can maintain here. Okay, print program, everything, which base we can maintain, sales organization, distribution or division, user exit. Okay, you can maintain. Okay, mail, you want to send mail to them, you can maintain these programs, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, another most important processing routines. Okay, this is most important step. Here we need to enter program and form. This is standard because I used it. Okay, you can use the same thing for all, or you can use differently. Okay, it is provided by, based on our functional specification, above consultant can give us program name and form number, form name. Okay, otherwise we can provide our output type to above, they can assign these two to that output type, automatically it will come here. This is most important. Okay, this is print output purpose I used this program and form. Fax purpose I used this program and this PDF. Okay, external send means IDAC, this thing we can use this. Okay, whatever based on our we can collect it from above, we can assign, or we can provide RD00 to them. whatever output type is there, we can provide them, they can provide us. Okay, this is most important step. Once it is completed, okay, output types is completed, this output type we need to maintain to okay, output types to partner functions. Okay, generally this RD00 we can maintain it for BP, build to party. Okay, this is one thing. This is output determination procedure is most important. Okay, once we created output type, we need to place it in some output type. Okay, here see, I have entered here RD00. Here requirement I have used standard 62. What is 62? Billing document release post. Okay, once released only we can create. If there is accounting document not generated, system will not provide billing document, that purpose. Okay, whatever we have these things we can maintain here. Once it is completed, most important, find how system knows this output type and determination is relevant for our billing document. This is most important. Here we need to assign it to our billing document of output determination to billing document type. Okay, our billing document is F2. Okay, F2. Okay, we need to enter this. What is major output type? RD00. we need to maintain. Okay, then you can create condition records. Already I shown VV12, VV22, VV31, VV32, VV33. Okay, this is okay. Friends, up to now I have explained billing document output determination. How I explained briefly. We need to how to maintain function specification, how to contact aware for these things. Okay, once it is completed, I shown condition records, configuration. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Neutral Minds. Okay, please share it to your friends. Don't forget to like. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can you can comment me. Thank you.